Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How's everyone doing? Hope everyone's staying safe, keeping themselves at home as much as possible. Well guys, today we are going to be making jollof rice, fried fish, and some coleslaw. Let's get to the video guys, hope you enjoy. This simple and easy jollof rice recipe guys, you will need 2 cups of rice. I'm using here long grain basmati rice. You can add more if you prefer, if you have more people, but I'm only using 2. So we are also going to be we are going to be blending 2 bell peppers, 1 red onion, 1 Scotch bonnet. I'm only using the 1 because of kids. It may be too spicy if I use 2, so I'm only going to be using 1. You can use 2 if you prefer hot. I'm also going to be blending the 4 tomatoes. If you don't have that type of tomatoes, you can also go ahead and use chopped tomatoes. It's fine. I'm also going to be adding to the blend 2 spring onions. And that's to blend. You're going to be leaving one of the onions for later. Here I have my seasoning, which is thyme, just 1 tablespoon of thyme, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, all-purpose seasoning, and tomato puree, about 2 tablespoons, 2 Knorr chicken cubes, 3 bay leaves, and salt to your taste. Okay guys, this is it. This is the ingredients. Let's get to the video. Here I have all my ingredients to blend. I'm just going to add a bit of water. And I'm going to start blending. So in the pan, I have heated up a half cup of oil, and I'm just going to go in with my other onions that I had. I've just chopped it up, and I'm going to be adding it in my oil and frying it. At this point, we're just going to be frying both for about 5 minutes, just to get that puree flavor out. So guys, this is the onion and the tomato puree. I actually added 1 more tablespoon of tomato puree. If you wish, you can go ahead and add some more too. And now I'm going to go in with my blend that we had blended earlier. This is it. We're just going to be adding it inside here. Now we're just going in with our dried ingredients. I have my all-purpose seasoning. I didn't have the yellow one enough, so I added the orange one. My thyme, my black pepper, my bay leaf, and my two chicken cubes. Just season your sauce according to your liking and stir. Guys, now we're just going to cover it and let it cook for about 15 minutes on low heat or medium, so the bottom does not burn. And while you're at it, while you're letting this cook, we're going to be washing our rice, getting it ready so we can add to the mixture. And that's it, guys. That's our sauce. So guys, after 15 minutes, this is how it looks. We can go ahead now and add our rice. I'm just going to stir it really good. We just added our rice, guys. Now we're going to go in with our water. And with our water, we're just going to be adding it to cover our rice. Make sure you don't put too much, because then you will be left with soggy rice, and we don't want that. We want fluffy. So we're just going to add some more chili. Just going to add some more. Yeah, I think that's good. Now we let it cook for about 20 minutes on medium heat. Cover it. Make sure it's on medium heat, guys, because you don't want it to burn. This is how our rice is looking, guys, after the 20 minutes. Just giving it a good mix, and I'm still going to let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes on the lowest heat and covering it just to allow the rice to cook even better. Earlier, guys, that I cleaned and I seasoned it with fish seasoning, black pepper and just salt, and now I'm just going to go ahead and fry the fish. Just easy fry, that's it. I have here my coleslaw, which I'm going to be seasoning right now. I just used half a cabbage and three grated carrots. I'm just going to be seasoning it now to my tasting, which I'm gonna be adding a bit of lemon juice, salt, and I'm going to be going in with my mayonnaise as much as I want. You can use as much as you want, you prefer. Guys, after an additional 20 minutes, let's check out how our jollof rice is. Okay. And we're finally done, guys. This is how it is. We're gonna burn it. It's all good. Well, I must say I am very happy with the result, and this is my second time making jollof rice, guys. So yeah, if I can do it, then you also can do it. Slow. Put some mayonnaise on it. The carrot is making it look, it's making the orange color. And I also have my fried fish here. Yes, and that's it, guys. Here we have it. After chefing it up, here's my plate. You want some food? Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and hope you've watched my recent videos. Make sure you subscribe, give it a big thumbs up, comment if you like this, and yeah, guys, thank you very much for watching my videos. Keep an eye out for the next one. Bye.